Hello, Randy Rain here, and I have the remote control tank put out by Sears, made by TAIYO. Now, I've done this tank before, and I just sold it on eBay, but that was before I fell in love with the TAIYO remote control vehicles. And I sold my tank for a decent amount of money, and these things go for a decent amount of money online, but everybody seemed to miss this one, and I got this pretty cheap. So let me show you how I fixed it up. This thing looks in like really good shape. I really don't remember a lot of this though. I have no idea what this is. And I don't remember that. And these are switches, obviously. Because I don't remember this. Jeez. Well, look at there. This thing is extremely well made. But I put a scratch here and a scratch here. 2 scratches here and 2 scratches here. That way I can pull these out. Notice how they cross. It's kind of interesting. Did they mess up? Yeah, that's soldered to the battery terminals. You can just go back. That's no big deal. What does this switch do? And why is there red back here? Like there be a light or something. Is that a kill switch? Let's look at these gears. Every one of these is just an idle gear. No problems with that. Same thing here. Oh, jeez. Those are going to be fine. And all these here, look at that. And that comes apart. Those are in really good shape. And there's a bend in them, but I think we're good. Maybe this is the same one. What's all this crap? It's like it has Christmas tinsel. More Christmas tinsel. That's actually a first. You'd think you'd see more of that, but I think that's the first time I've seen actual Christmas tinsel. I'm guessing that happened the very first Christmas. Yeah, but this all looks great. Now, this is not the kind that you take apart. You can, and I have before, but these suck. Well, these are not the kind you want to take apart. So I'm going to put some oil down in here. Some oil there. And then throw a 9. Now I'm going to take lithium grease, squirt it down these little holes here. And any excess go right in there. don't know what's going on with that. You know, it actually seems like I am remembering this now. Yeah, this was like a stop of some sort. The spring was here. There. Yeah, so what happens is this pushes down there, and it's if something gets stuck in between here and the track, I guess. That's what that's for. It's like a kill switch. So if that's not making good connection, it probably won't run. So if you have one of these and it's not working, that's probably why. Well, there's something not quite right with it. The reverse, or the stop, doesn't always make it stop. Sometimes it starts turning to the right or something. I'm not sure what's going on. I looked at the circuit on the tank and it looked fine. I don't see anything wrong with it. Could be contacts here. Well, that's interesting. Let's start here. You can see there's multiple connections, so it could be down in here and not making good connection. Because sometimes it does work. I guess I can take this off here. It's got a spring on it. It's awful scary. But I take that off. No. That's what that does. Getting down to the copper there. Having to clean that off. And it's been scratched down to the copper. This is what I'm guessing the problem was. Is this just not making good contact on all these contacts here? I do believe that works. And I think this one has the same problem. This one only has 3. The other one had 4. I believe the original one, the idea was to have a reverse in there as well. Tank is turning out pretty nice. Only thing, it didn't have the barrel for the gun. So I went online and found a picture. I 3D printed this out, and I made one pretty close to it. I have a whole bunch of acrylic paint. I bet you this deep green is probably about as close as I'm going to get, though. So this is grass green. That's not going to work. This is a little green. That's a little drab. That is very much not the color green I want. I'm going to add reddish yellow. Start with that much. Just a little bit of black. Yeah, that's the right color green. Now, if this will dry just a little bit darker, I think it'll be okay. So there it is, the TAIYO tank from the 80s, put out by Sears. Now, this is my favorite tank. Even though it doesn't go backwards, it still has the best turning of all the tanks that I've restored. So, you want to see it in action? Well, here it is. Hey, if you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you want to see more stuff, hit the subscribe button. Anyway, I want to thank these people right here. These are the patrons. These are the people bringing you this stuff. I couldn't do any of this stuff without them. They are the ones that keep me going. They are allowing me to keep going like this, and I couldn't do it, really. Honestly, I couldn't do any of this stuff without them. So I thank them oh so very much. And if you'd like to become a patron and help out and stuff, so there's links and stuff, so go check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching.